So South Africa being back into the international fray after our CAF ban in 2019, we started with our first international matches against Mozambique in September. And I think that was a start of our journey into Africa, you know, in terms of preparing for CAN, AFCON 2026 and World Cup in 2028. I think Mozambique was a start for us to you know, kind of restart futsal in South Africa, because the last we played was in 2019. So we got a very nice young team. I think coming up against Mozambique, who was a tactically strong team, with our young team we had, we actually had you know, very good international matchup against them. I think from that it was the start and the, you know, towards building up, moving into Africa, and Zambia being a very well-placed tactical and technical team. Coach Andrea Cristofali I know very well. He coached in South Africa, so he's been here for about 10 years in Zambia. We followed them, also very young team. But I think South Africa, as you know, Bafana, we are a very well-loved and a very strong football nation, and I would say the same for our futsal. So we're looking ahead to a very technical and tactical matchup against Zambia. I think you know, both teams are ready. We are very ready, both technically, tactically, psychologically. Our fitness levels are up there. So we're looking forward to Friday the 19th of December and Sunday the 21st of December. So we are ready in all aspects. So we currently have a confederation in Africa called the AFC, African Futsal Confederation, which I'm part of all the nations. There is a challenge currently in CAF at the moment around futsal, specifically the AFCON, because we discussed looking at every 2 years, which is critical for Africa as a developing continent in futsal. I think what is important, if you look at Morocco, who's 6th in the world, who just beat Spain recently. So Morocco has set the trend for Africa. You have Egypt and Libya not far behind, and Angola, who currently you know, is one of the 3 qualifiers for the World Cup. So I would say we're on the map, but we just have to compete more often. We've just competed against Mozambique recently and Zambia, so there's a return leg in March. But Ghana has now approached us, as well as Zimbabwe, so we're looking at a 4 or 5 nations in the FIFA window period in March, looking at AFCON May, June next year. So I think for Africa, it's very important.
It's an exciting challenge for the boys. It's a new group, it's a new team, very young, but they're up for the challenge. I'm hungry. They expect a high level of futsal being played. We're aware that you're a very good futsal playing nation. So it's just taking on the new challenges that we face, but we're hungry for the opportunity. We both gain experience in this experience, so we're very excited and we feel prepared for the challenge. So yeah, we up for it.